Hello, hello, hello. It seems like it's been ages, but I just want to say hello. This is Annette with Rip the Wear by Nette, ripthewear.com, where we take your old clothes that you either put out of your closet, got from a thrift store, bought on an impulse, and you want to change them up. So we take your old clothes and make them runway ready, so you can be fabulous, just fabulous. It's been a while. If you guys follow me, again, this is Rip the Wear by Nette. I'm Annette. Then you know that I took a pause for the cause being the pandemic, the COVID-19. I did a video saying that Rip the Wear was just going to devote as much time as I could to helping with the medical mask. There are a lot of people when it first broke out that could not get masks. It's still basically the same. I thought maybe, 20, 50, I was donating some to the hospital, and that would be it. Not so. Families wanting 10. For my friend, this person, that person, nonstop, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm pushing out masks. I'm grateful that I have the ability to do so, but I miss being creative. So that being said, I thought I'd take a break from making masks. I had some projects that I had on hand before this all started. One being a good friend of mine wanted me to make some arm covers for her sofa. Well, I had alterations, just tons of things that, I was doing with Rip the Wear. Well, once this need became a must, they were just asking whoever could. I put all that to the side, and like I said, I wanted to be part of the solution and not the problem. Well, like I said, my creative juices are like, please, let's do something. So, I took one of the patterns from my lift chair, went to make sure that this fit her sofa, which it did, and I was going to try just to, stitch this or make a pattern from the existing one that I had. Well, the fit wasn't coming out like I wanted it to, so it's only 2 pieces. I took it apart and made my own pattern. I decided to make it a Muslim so that I could keep it, and who knows, you may have another need. Whenever I make patterns, I try to keep them because you never know what's going to come along in the future. So I want to make sure that I'm ready. So this is this piece here. I've got 2 pieces. And then this is the arm part on this piece here. Okay, so I'm going to make our arm pieces. I know it's nothing extraordinary, but if you can sew, again, I'm self-taught. I didn't go to school for it or anything. There are so many things that you can do around your home. There's nothing, if it's made of fabric, there's nothing that we can't do. Put your mind to it, you can do anything. This is the day that the Lord has made. I am rejoicing. I'm so glad in it. I'm so glad to be back. And I also want to thank my ride or die, Rip the Wear family, fans, partners, whatever you want to call it. When I took a pause for the cause, I think I was maybe at 3, getting close to 4,000 views. I remember when I first started, I was like, can I please get 50? Can I get 100? And you guys have been with me, even though I was not able to post. My desire, and like I always tell you guys, I have these goals, I have these dreams, but life happens. Like, who would have thought this time last year that we would be wearing masks to just stay healthy? Life can throw a wrench in your game. I mean, Mother Nature, life, you just never know from day to day what is going to happen. I'm grateful. Every morning I wake up, I thank God for allowing me to see another day, because today is all that we have that we can know is going to happen. Nobody knows what tomorrow is going to bring. We have no control over it. So I always say, try to live your best life in the moment that you're giving. I try to walk the walk, I try to do and be the best of me that I can be, because we never know what tomorrow is going to bring. That again being said, I've loaded my bobbins, loaded my thread. I am going to put this together. I don't want to bore you with that part. And we're going to get this done for my buddy. Again, I just want to thank you guys, like I said, for hanging in there with me, even though I have not been able to post like I normally do. Every Wednesday is my day to post. But again, I had to take a pause for the cause. Thought this was more important to help those people who were not able to get medical masks. And I was able to, like I said, be part of the solution and not the problem. They're still in demand, but like I said, my creative juices is just screaming, let's do something else. And so I'm still making masks, but I'm going to devote 2 or 3 days out of the week to Rip the Wear, because although you guys have been riding hard with me, I want to put out some new material, because I so appreciate you guys for just sticking in there. You've been watching the videos, and we're over 5,000 views. But what I need you guys to do is to help me. We want to let our subscriptions start to catch up with our views. I think I'm at 76, and this is like 2 years in. So I'm just so grateful for all of my supporters, the people that appreciate what I do, because again, I'm self-taught. I don't have any professional training, but I so appreciate you guys for just being there with me, supporting me, and hanging in there. So we want to increase our subscriptions. So please like, share, let your buddies, your friends know, she's doing some things over there. Although, like I said, I had to take a pause. Sometimes I'm in the hospital. Like right now, my hands are freezing. I have systemic lupus, and there are times when, even though I want to, so even with the mask, I just can't. My hands are frostbitten. It's Raynaud's, I think is what my doctor said it is, but it just gets to the point where I just have to put gloves on, like I'm out playing in the snow, where I cannot, I can't write, I can't do anything. I have to put my gloves on and take a pause. I have to, just lay down and rest. Once my body, I guess, takes a break, then it slowly starts to thaw out. But you guys have still just been hanging in there with me, and I so appreciate you guys. So like I said, we make plans, but life has a way of just getting in there and changing things up. So always, I seek God first, and He gives me the strength and endurance to do what I need to do from day to day. And that's all we can do. We have no control over our life or what's going to happen. We can make plans, but there is no promise for tomorrow, and no promise that we are going to be able to complete whatever plans we have. I want to give a shout out to Michelle and Sonia for being there to help me with the mask. Like, it was really starting to weigh on me, because I was up 3 and 4 o'clock in the morning making masks, cutting the pattern out. It's like prepping for cooking. You've got to prep. Got to cut the pattern out, get the elastic together. Then it was a hold on the elastic. You couldn't find elastic if you were paying somebody to find it, okay? It's still not out there like it used to be, but it's getting a little better. You may have to wait. Even with Prime, I have Prime, and still not able to get it within the 2 or 3 days that you normally get stuff. So again, I want to give a shout out to Michelle and Sonia. Sonia is my elastic girl. I got a lot of my elastic in, and she cuts my elastic for me. And Michelle is my fabric girl. She cuts my patterns. And as you can see, I am well on my way. These are the large. Yeah, this is the demand. These are the large, medium, and my small. And then I had to convert some of my patterns for the little ones, because people wanted their babies to also be protected. So this is my trusted serger, and my brother's strong and tough sewing machine. So these are the ones that I put together. There's 4 pieces that it takes to construct a mask. So I serge it first. It just works better for me because I can serge them all and then put them together and then go. So here to here. Well, I start here and then here and then here. And then I bag everything up. And then I prepare them to be sold. All right, you guys. I think that's it for now. Again, I want to thank you guys for, again, your support. And like I said, I'm going to cut down a little bit. I was doing it every day except Sunday. I worship on Sunday. We are not back at church, but I'm part of our Facebook Live crew. We go in on Sunday like we were having church, and we record the whole service so that people at home can enjoy, a day of worship. All right, you guys, I shall return. Again, thank you, thank you, thank you. Like, share, thumbs up, riptheword.com. All right, soon. Bye.